What's up, YouTube? It's Bubs.
And Hailey.
And it's Hailey's last week in Skagway for the season. So we're spending the day doing the Glacier Wilderness Safari.
Alaska X.
Alaska X. We're about to head out right now. We're leaving Alaskan Fairy Tales down to Small Boat Harbor, and we'll catch you there. Wow. Broadway. On a Saturday morning. Look at them go. Hopefully the water's calm. There's really no wind, so. Hi, V. Skagway traffic jam, am I right? There's the train, right there. And we've made it to the Small Boat Harbor, which looks a little full, but there's definitely spots. So, I assume our next course of action is to find an Alaskan X representative.
That is right.
All right. Just a girl and her Lotus drink versus the world.
Always.
I'm literally just a girl. I've got LaCroix. Wow. Look at that water. Hell yeah. Look at all these tourists out here. We've made it. Skagway, Small Boat Harbor. There's a lot of big boats here, am I right? There's the last one. Kind of like Tom Petty said, the waiting is the hardest part. Yeah, we got about 10 minutes and we should be walking down the gangway. Officially made it onto the boat. The encounter. You excited?
Yes.
Hell yeah.
Very clear day, so this is great for seeing whale spouts. We can see porpoises, seals. So again, just if you see something, please say something. If you're taking videos or pointing, I want to.
Whale spouts.
I can open up the bow as well if you're interested. So this is likely a humpback
Let's see if we get
whale.
another one.
And again, they usually spout a few times and then show their tail when they dive a bit deeper. So the tails have individual markings that are kind of like fingerprints. So it's unique to them. You can kind of figure out who they are based on the markings. Oh gosh.
Oh, check it out. Way out there.
So far, that we know.
Really cool how long that water stays in the air like that.
Right towards the See it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There you go.
There you go.
that?
Do you want me to take a picture of you? That'd be nice.
So I'm making a YouTube video. Can you say that again?
Oh, this is Long Falls. Pilots use it to recognize where they're at in the canal, and that is why it's legally recognized, whereas a lot of the other waterfalls are colloquial.
Neat. Thanks.
And the Alaska state tree, the Sitka spruce. So the spruce roots were often used to weave baskets, and they actually put out these tips in early spring that are light green and edible. I tried one right off the tree. It was a bit bitter and mealy, but we make soda, syrups.
There's Haynes. There's the ferry. Bringing people to and fro. How cool is that? Glacier? Hardly know her. There's a glacier over there. We're gonna go see it. How cool is this? Hi. Check it out.
That guy walking up there?
Well, we've been off the boat for 30 seconds, and how many rocks have you got already?
4.
Cool. 5.
Don't waste. What? Yes, ma'am. We don't waste or throw away stuff for last.
Yeah. What a guy. Him and his bus.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Look who it is!
I didn't believe that you guys would get out here that quick. Wait.
You're gonna be in the YouTube video. It's Charlotte.
You gonna ask?
No, it's fine.
Your rubber boots, and we'll get you a life paddle as well. And in case you were wondering, we do have restrooms up there if you need to use them. Don't be expecting anything too classy. They basically are just pits in the ground, so we're gonna be roughing it out here. That's how we like it. That's how we rock and roll. So as soon as we gather the remainder of our guides, we'll be on our merry way.
Woo!
Woo!
Everybody! Okay, that wasn't very enthusiastic. How we doing, Glacier Park?
I'm doing good, all things considered.
There we go. My name is Luke. I'll be your host today. I'm just going to do a little introduction for some of the guests that y'all have. And next up, we have Dayton! Coming in at 7'5", in with no soul. There he is. Next up, we got Harlan. He's a killing machine. Charlotte. She's a mad, crazy girl. All right. And there he is.
Last but not least, we have the host with the most. It's cool and
Bye. Bumpy ass ride.
Five-star accommodations. We've got
hot tub, we got Wi-Fi, we got running water, we got hot showers.
not one but 2 light bulbs.
That's the only true statement right there. We don't have any of that. We don't have any of that. We have a shack.
My main advice to you guys would be don't stand downwind of any of us because we have a shower and quite wild. And you would say, oh, of course, that makes sense. You live out in the woods. No, we actually do have a rainwater fast shower out here. We just
No, you're gonna take your shoes off. Over in the pavilion, you got a shoe rack. You can just place it there. And then, yeah.
I wore my muck boots just for this, so.
What's up, Bubs?
I got muck boots, I'm leaving them on.
Buck beards? Oh, perfect.
And I've got a life jacket. And a paddle. Wow. All right, buddy. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Are you psyched?
Yes.
Touch paddles. Boop. Wow, look at these guys. Oh, Seawolf Team 6.
Team 6.
Now we get to walk a quarter mile through the woods to a canoe. How fun is that? Wow.
Everyone come on down, right this way. All right, my group, my two.
Bear snacks on 3.
Oh wait, we should do like
1, 2, 3. Bear snacks.
When I say sea wolves, you guys say, oh, woo! All right, sea wolves. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that'll be our thing. All right, cool. So we are probably gonna head out of here as the last group. Reason being, our group is too good, so they have to put us at a disadvantage.
Whoa.
Hey, last group, we were last, came back first place. That's gonna be us, mark my words.
We're on a boat. There's a glacier. Wow. We're looking at it. What do you think, Hales?
Great.
It's great.
It might come through the bottom.
Glacial silt war paint.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. We're gonna represent Team Seawolf.
Team Seawolf.
Team Seawolf.
Water, it's the technique.
It's the technique.
Yay.
All right.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Me too. Yes. Let's get Hailey.
Glacial silt. Glacial silt. Glacial silt.
Thank you. Oh, of course.
Now give us your war face. All right, we're cool. Wow. When did they put that there? Check it out. Wow. It's not just a boulder.
It's a rock.
It's a rock. The pioneers used to ride those babies for miles. Wow, look at it go. Wow, you can really feel it getting colder.
Yeah.
This is neat. Wow. Isn't this like the most beautiful thing ever? Wow. The video does not do any of this justice.
Be sure to grab some
So, all in all, what do you think, Hales?
I love it. I wish I could stay here forever.
You can feel the cold coming off of it too. It's really cool. The video does not do it justice. It is huge. Huge. It's really cool.
It's running. It's rolling.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, that was good. We're
or if you want to do something else. How do you guys feel about being out at the glacier?
Well, it's truly breathtaking. It's all of God's majestic beauty concentrated into one giant block of ice that has carved out a valley full of hopes, dreams, and opportunities for Alaska X. And for that, I'm truly grateful.
That was beautiful. That was for me.